Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove and add background to your video in CapCut. So first, just add the video that you want to remove its background to CapCut. Click on it, find the remove background options, this one. Then use the auto removal to make it quick to remove the background. Now CapCut will remove the background. Just click on the check icon and wait for the process of removing background is done. Okay, just wait seconds. So the process depends on the video duration itself. Okay, so now the background has been removed, and to add a new background, find the background menu here. Now if you want to add the color, a solid color background, click on color and choose your favorite color here. Or if you want to use a background, click on image and you can use the preset provided by CapCut. Just choose one like this and the background will be changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.